This video we're looking at how to get started with Google Classroom at Coláiste Ciarán. So for starters, to log in, we can log in through Gmail, or we can go directly to Classroom by typing in the address classroom.google.com. I'm going to show you how to log in through Gmail. So every student is given a username and password, so I'm going to enter a sample username and password here for the student to log in, and this will load. It'll take a few seconds, but it will load the email page. So the student can check their email first, see if they've got any direct correspondence from teachers, and then I'm going to show you how to use the menu icon to switch between the various applications that Google provides as part of Google Workplace, which is our platform that we use at school. So Gmail is just loaded now, and up at the top right I have a Google Apps selector. So if I click on here, you'll see I get options. There are options for tools around creating material for students. I'm going to go into Classroom, which is the centralized place where teachers will share assignments and students will submit work. So this will load the Google Classroom interface, and any classes that the students are enrolled in will appear. So teachers can directly add students to their class, or they can share an enrollment key. So I'm just going to show you how to add a class if the student has a key. So I'm already in the coding class, and over here on the right hand side I get the option to join another class, and I'm provided with a code. I'll just get the code for the class here. That was the wrong one, and I just have it over here. So enter the code and hit join, and you'll see that the class will appear on the dashboard. So it brings me straight into this class then, and I can see I've got an assignment set. So there are 3 tabs at the top. I see my classwork where assignments have been set. The stream is where a teacher will make announcements. And in my classwork, I can complete the assignment also. So I'll have a look. To get back to the main menu in Classroom, you click on the 3 lines at the top left and select Classes. That shows you an overview of your classes. If you click on To Do, you'll see any assignments that are due. And I'm going to go back to this class I've just joined, and I'm going to show you how to create and submit an assignment. So if I open this assignment here, I'll see there's a description of what needs to be done. Watch the video and submit an essay using Google Docs. So I can click on the links here, which will load the video and load the supporting material. And then when I'm ready, I can click on over here, Add or Create. And I'll see there's an option to create a document. If you're on the phone, you can submit images, but for now we're just dealing with online assignments. So when I click Create here, it creates a document, and you see when I open it up here that it's created a document and it's named it The Work of the Archaeologist. So the student can start typing here, and because this is online, it saves as the student works. So if anything happens, the computer or the internet while the student is working on a project, it will be saved automatically. And also, because this is cloud-based online, it means that students, when they go home, they can resume, and they can resume where they left off on any assignments that they're currently working on. In addition to documents, students can create a number of other types of files. They can create a slideshow, so that would be similar to PowerPoint. They can create Google Sheets, which is the same as Excel for doing maths and graphing and charting and science applications, and also drawings, which allows them to create posters. So that's the basics of getting in and getting an assignment turned in. We'll make a second video on how to use your phone to submit offline work like essays that are handwritten. And I hope you found this helpful.